The bond market and interest rates. A security, a so-called financial instrument, is a claim on the issuer's future income or assets, any financial claim or piece of property that is subject to ownership. A bond is a debt security that promises to make payments periodically for a specified period of time. The bond market is especially important to economic activity because it enables corporations or government to borrow to finance their activities and because it is where interest rates are determined. An interest rate is the cost of borrowing or the price paid for the rental of funds, usually expressed as a percentage of the rental of $100 per year. There are many interest rates in the economy: mortgage interest rate, car loan rates, and interest rate on many different types of bonds. Interest rates are important on a number of levels. On a personal level, high interest rates could deter you from buying a house or car because the cost of financing would be high. Conversely, high interest rate could encourage you to save because you can earn more interest income by putting aside some of your earning as saving. On a more general level, interest rates have an impact on the overall health of the economy because they affect not only consumer willingness to spend or save, but also business investment decision. High interest rate, for example, might cause a corporation to postpone building a new plant that would ensure more jobs. Because changes in interest rate have important effects on individual, financial institution, business, and the overall economy, it is important to explain fluctuation in interest rate that have been substantial over the past 20 years. For example, the interest rate on 3-month Treasury bill peaked at over 16% in 1981. This interest rate then fell to 3% in late 1992 and 1993, rose above 5% in the mid to late 1990s, and then fell to a low of below 2% in the early 2000s. Because interest rates have tendency to move in unison, economists frequently lump interest rates together and refer to the interest rate. As Figure 1 shows, however, interest rates on several types of bonds can differ substantially. The interest rate on 3-month Treasury bills, for example, fluctuates more than the other interest rate and is lower on average. The interest rate on BAA, medium quality corporate bonds, is higher on average than the other interest rates, and the spread between it and the other rate became larger in the 1970s. In Chapter 2, we study the role of bond market in the economy, and in Chapter 4 to 6, we examine what an interest rate is, how the common movement in interest rates come about, and why the interest rate on different bonds vary.